Litecoin is likely to advance 3.2% by May 17, according to CoinCodex. Let's kick things off by looking at the latest price movement. As of this update, Litecoin has gone down 3.8% over the past 24 hours and is now near $56.12. Here come 5 views from analysts. Coin price forecast projects a rise to $56.35 by tomorrow, an estimated 0.4% increase. Litecoin might advance to $57.33, according to Traders Union, an increase near 2.2%. CoinLore highlights the possibility of testing $57.47, marking a gain near 2.4%. A different forecast by CoinCodex expects Litecoin might head higher to $57.93, a potential gain of 3.2%. And last but not least, Gulf Capital Collector predicts $58.03 by tomorrow, a rise of 3.4%. This one gives the best return potential. That wraps our top projections. Let's dig further. Let's now explore how each forecast might play out. From the compiled outlooks, the potential change in price could vary between a rise of 0.4% and a gain of 3.4%, depending on the analyst. That makes Gulf Capital Collector the leader with 3.4% improvement in value by tomorrow. Based on these results, you could generate between $4 and $34 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to odds, Coin Price Forecast comes first with a 79.9% chance of success. By putting all the forecasts side by side, I've drawn up a consensus view. Based on the consensus outlook, Litecoin might increase by approximately 2.3%. Let's check the details. The consensus read points to price up by 2.3%. In straightforward terms, your capital might climb by the same 2.3% tied to that outcome. A $1,000 investment might show a return of about $23 under this forecast. The consensus forecast carries a probability of roughly 60.6% of playing out. Right here, let's look at the expected price movement across the next 3 days, according to analysts. A stable market view is shared by Coin Price Forecast, projecting no meaningful moves. Meanwhile, Traders Union notes the short-term trend looks flat, with little to indicate significant shifts. A climb is highlighted by CoinLore, pointing to bullish sentiment. An upward push is also signaled by CoinCodex. Meanwhile, Gulf Capital Collector predicts steady gains ahead. When looking at all forecasts side by side, the consensus clearly highlights an upward direction for Litecoin in the short term. Taken together, the majority of analysts agree that Litecoin is leaning toward an upward path over the next 3 days. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Now it's time for some fact-checking. Ultimately, yesterday's candle ended at $57.51. The majority of analysts' forecasts lined up with how the price moved. By accuracy standards, CoinCodex came out strongest. Time to sort through the results. 4 forecasts fit within the daily range. Speaking of ROI, multiple analysts posted gains, and CoinLore stood out with 1.8%. Here's the daily overview, a simple summary of all results. At a glance, CoinDataFlow was given 50.6% forecast probability, $2.03 accuracy, and minus 0.7% ROI. Look over the results and find the forecast that hit closest to reality. Now let's check how the projected returns for tomorrow line up between Litecoin and a few alternatives. The leader today is Render, showing a forecasted 5.1% return. This comparison includes Litecoin and 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison is already open on my website. If you're following Litecoin, this breakdown probably helped. Give it a like if it did. Have a good one.